Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for James in New York on this Ranger RCI 69 base. James, got it ready to go for you, bud? Actually, the last one we had in stock, and waiting to see when we're going to get some more of these. Got your Road Devil mic you wanted. And so these radios sometimes come out a little bit too bassy on the audio, and we got a little mod that we bring the treble up in there as well. Did that for you. It's going to work out real good. Let's start with RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. It said about 4.5 watts. Roll it all the way up. 14. Now, James, you can run that anywhere you want. It's not going to hurt the radio either way. I know you said that you weren't going to run an amplifier. Here's your average power swing. Hello. About 31 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello. About 88 PEP. Alright, James, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.